What is going on, guys? We're back again and we're going to try to fix something else on the Z today. The most annoying thing of this car is that door handle don't work. So we're going to take this apart and see what is actually going on with that. And you can look in there, the screw's missing. It's only being held on by one screw. So let's try to take this off and see what's going on. Plastic piece here is broken, so that's why the door is no longer opening and closing. So what we're going to do is we'll take this off and we'll have to get a new handle for this thing, and I'll get one off Amazon. Okay, we finally got the replacement door handle off Amazon. I'll put that in the link in the description below. We'll go ahead and finish taking this door handle off. We'll swap it out and then it should be good to go. Piece that's broken here, and then this piece comes off, that flips up, and then take the lock off. Alright, there's our handle. And here's the piece that actually broke off. You can see the little plastic pieces in there. So what we're going to do is take this part out. We're going to take this out. And then we'll take this out of our bag and put the new one on. So there's what the new where that part was going. Should go in. This should flip around once it's all the way down. Alright, that part's done. We're gonna go ahead and put, oh, that is part of the lock. Here's the lock part. Go ahead and put the lock back on. Okay. And we're going to take this lock and we are going to put it back in here. What the heck? That should go down. We are going to put one of these. That was kind of a pain, but okay, so I had another bolt I put in here, tighten it down, tighten that down. Actually, I had to take it back out because I didn't have that little latch and that blue thing in there, and that blue hole. So the handle works now. So let's see if it actually opens the door. Oh man, the door opens and closes now. The most annoying thing about this car, and it's fixed now. So that's all we're doing for today. I think tomorrow we'll probably change the shifter and then probably take this door panel apart and then fix this motor so the window goes up and down again. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Like this video, please subscribe, take care, and have a great day.